Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, Bitcoin was credit card translation. What is this difference? Bitcoin was credit translation in overviews. Most popular have credit card. They can use pay to items. This rate and way to pay in full, but some most people in was credit cards. This and pay to items different rates. Get paid in full, but some also have Bitcoin in Displore, which should be useful. Have both in which should use the maximum and money your key trackless Bitcoin translation operate more like cash exchange, personal without financial intermediary. Credit card companies which in accepted this. Many provide between merchant and customer agent fees in necessary service. Credit card provides general offer front protect with Bitcoin does not. Bitcoin and bring assisted merchandise and more. Bitcoin transmission. Bitcoin was different per and transaction. It removed pictures, explored the marketing in financial exchange. Bitcoin are stored in digital wallet that hold and control. You do not need it dependent on financial industries to hold your money. Payment similar. Similar transfer and credit payment publisher directly from one party and other without going in target other financial industry payment process and exchange target private network computer and each transaction is recorded a blockchain with publisher. When to making Bitcoin translation and not initially provide personal additional such your name and address. This means in one monitor and financial activity establish limit of what is your can control do. Credit card translation by constant and credit card translation and other merchandise pool in a payment for your accounted process in target financial intermediaries in process. For example, typical Visa transaction greater in 5% the credit card and merchandise quality financial industry enable payment and merchandise in the issues cardholder bank and individual cardholder some these six parties the payment process. Alright, many are air equal banks first and credit card in modern of web extension 1957 but cash in between exploit the people and currency which provide individual process exchange party fees which the process and cardholder exchange rating price. Credit card must in also physical storage and kept secure. Technology is them improvement but card number and hackers in street improved merchandise store futures access down to your hackers and access merchandise record and state card information. Key difference Bitcoin and transaction are made using publisher and automatic encrypted address change with every transaction in private. You can also play mobile using quick response QR code links. Your wallet credit card also used a mobile device, but its payment have to go target service before the process and approved. One of the key difference between two is the offer your hand card other person and shift in point sell transmission and merchandise and seamless transmission and send card information automatic keep credit information seal online use bitcoin come state your digital wallet in gross directory the party peg other sports information bitcoin transaction there is space and can refund by receive party and defense from credit transaction and cancellate this mean are changing back merchandise when tracking in bitcoin changing diamond credit provide to retailer to founded disparate transaction merchandise they accept bitcoin and also credit card fees you can every 0.5% to 5% plus and fees each transaction bitcoin payment send and receive easily very low cost no bitcoin fees and basic amount send wallet use fast fake will the credit card and transaction in many particular individual to only take few seconds complete on other bitcoin transaction can take 10 minutes more than basic on network activity network credit head check for merchandise advice and receive bitcoin approve payment made in using digital currency save submission process fees estimate the risk of changing basic for sponsor the advice and paying with bitcoin increase great simply in paying to transaction use any this intro intermediates and transaction fees low credit art in offer future such browsing money and rewarded point is also accepted by make money vendor and using credit card credit risk and increased trade fees interest charges for gain transaction fees on credit store which is choose dependent on your professional for fund product easy use personal benefit in your cryptocurrency and exchange financial industries. What is crypto rewarded credit card? A crypto rewarded credit card grow rewarded and purchase good service is Bitcoin safe then credit card Bitcoin very different hack public or private income lost activity deleted cards and numbers can use loan and but refund activity journal protect the user both have in safe risk costed can your buy and credit card if you issues allow use purpose and hours and straight to signal pollution risk in Bitcoin provide dropping and costing larging losing credit card purchase cryptocurrency buy crypto on the credit something in tracking out loan or go gaming changing more than in when industry in cryptocurrency is other interest coin and highlight risk in subscription in this article is not recommended interpret in water cryptocurrency or other ISO such individuals submit unique defense professional solid always constant before making financial decision interest make in response to rating in the active timelines of information hacking is articles which others not Bitcoin management your long times in prolate knowledge and with risk stock I like many interest with seeking premium plans. Get unlimited access, premium content, other performance and rating and stock. Other subscription and plan start your free trial today. Benefit of risk trading with Bitcoin. Process constant enter Bitcoin with what is defense? What is defense is with 10 improvement. Cryptocurrency at 10 Bitcoin. Bitcoin was cash in what is defense? What is defense? Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin? What is cryptocurrency payment guidelines? Bitcoin, what is average paying with Bitcoin? Blockchain defense financial. Credit cards get to low down. How to credit card work them? Related terms and digital money defense. Digital money or currency any payment they exchange proof and instrument from an accounted translation computer blockchain explained a blockchain digitalized and defense publisher ledgers exchange access network the most money and using NTFs most. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency a digital wallet a currency the using crypto physical and defend confidence. Bitcoin defend how does your work? Bitcoin is virtual currency created in 1909 2009 that's used in past technology future interested instant payment more payment graphic a payment database and found technology the read payment and card send customer information merchandise bank process for translation fees approve translation charging translation use documents payment and card foreign currencies data cache improvement about discovery advice privacy policy career terms and user additional policies news content created payment like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.